ISASSA ithe ezinye zezizathu eziholele ekumisweni kwezibonelelo ukuthi abanye abahlomulayo abasibikeli isikhungo uma ngabe sebekwazi ukuzimela nokuholela ekutheni abantu okufanele bahlomule bevaleleke ngaphandle.
Every time when the clients apply for the grant, it's important that we also tell them that when their financial circumstances changes over time, they must visit SASSA offices so that we are able to review their grant.
uMatlowu uthi esikhathini esiningi intsha ivaleleka ngaphandle ngenxa yokungabi nomazisi kanti nokuqolwa kwalesikhungo kunomthelela kulokhu.
Almost 33% of the young people are unemployed. That's why we have chosen this youth month, particularly the youth month, to say let's bring all the youth together. Let's also educate and let's bring the services closer to them. And we know that some of them, you find that they don't have necessary documentation. That's why we also brought Home Affairs, we brought the banks.
Umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi uthi kubalekile ukuba intsha ilekelelwe ukuzihlomule kulezi zibonelelo zikahulumeni khona izokwazi nokuhlomula ku-NSFAS uma iqeda isikole.
68% of those children who made it to matric were children who were on child support grant. 48% of those, they actually got bachelors. And if you are on child support grant, immediately you qualify for NSFAS.
Abaqoli SASSA abanawo amahlathi okuqasha njengoba isebenzisana nezinye izikhungo ukuthola ukuphenya abayikhwabaniselayo.
We worked with different departments and banks as well, including the credit bureau. We pick up over 420,000 of grant that we need to review. And fortunately, and we have done notification to all of those that we have flagged. We've already lapsed about 160,000 grants.
ISASSA ithuma ngabe abahlomula noma kungasafanele bengezi inganeno ukuzobikela lesikhungo hompompi beyibonelelo bazovala unomphelo kanti abakhwabanisayo bazobhekana nengalo yomthetho.